Hello students, today I am going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 3.1. Now, a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So, the runs are given like this here: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. You can see how many are there? 8 runs are there. 8. So it is 8 innings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Find the mean score. What is the question asked here? Find the mean score. It is 8 innings. How many innings? 8 innings. So what is the mean score? We have to find the mean. So come on the solution. Solution here. What is the formula of the mean? Mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of all observations. Sum means I will add all entries or data, and number of all observations means how many numbers are there. Here it is 8. So I will do totaling here now. So I will write here 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 and plus 100. Upon how much will come number of our observation? What is the number here? Number is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count, it is 8. So 8. Now I will do totaling here. So you can start first with the unit place. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 5 19. 19 plus 6 25. 25 plus 5 30. So it comes here 0. Then 3 carry here. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 4 19. 19 plus 3 22. 22 plus 4 26. 26 plus 4 30. So again 0. Now 3 will come over on this. So 3 plus 1 4. So 400 upon 8. When I cancel 8 ones are 8. 8 5s are 40. And it comes here 0. So the answer is, what is the mean score? 50 is the average. What is the mean score? 50. So 50 runs. What is the average? 50 runs. We will write what is the average? 50 runs is the mean score in 8 innings. So let us discuss this question once again. See the question given here. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. The runs are given 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. Now find the mean score. Now solution. The mean is equal to the formula is sum of all observation upon number of all observation. And I have done totaling here 58 plus 76 plus 46 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. It is coming how much? 400 upon 8, and the answer comes here 50 runs is the mean score. This question completes here. Now next question number 5 of exercise. So find the following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So you can see the question I am discussing with you. Player A, B, C, and the game 1 the player A scored 14 runs, game 2 16 runs, game 3 10 runs, game 4 10. Now B first game 0, then here 8 runs, here 6, then 4, game 4. Now C player first game 8 run, the game 2 11 run, game 3 did not play, and game 4 13 run. Answer the following questions. Now we have to answer some questions here. The first one, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Now we have to find the A's mean. So how to find the mean? I will add the 4 innings runs. So I will add 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. then I have divided by how many number? 4. That is the way we find the mean, because number of sum of all observation upon number of all observation. So let us see now first solution. Mean of A equal to sum of all runs, it will come runs in 4 games upon 4, because 4 games are there upon 4. So I will do here, what is the answer? First will come 14, then comes 16, then comes 10, then plus 10. You can see here 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. You can see 14, 16, 10, then 10. Now divided by 4. So what is the answer? 14 plus 16, 14 plus 16 it is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. So 50 is the answer. 50 divided by 4, it will come 12.5. What is the answer? 12.5 is the answer. Now 12.5 is the mean of player A. Right here. Now the next one, to find the mean, what is the next question? To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4 by Y and Y? So you can see here now I am going for C. So here you can see how many games he played, 1, 2 and 3. So here this is the first part. Second part we will divide by 3. Divide by 3 because he played He played 3 games. Right here, we will divide by 3 because he played 3 games. You can see here B part, sorry C part, it is asked for C. 1, 2, 3. Did not play this game 3, but when we find the mean, we are going to divide by 3. Okay. Now B part, third part, B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? How would you find the mean? So it is asked here, if B is there, B is the player. So how would you find the mean? So I am finding the mean here. Now you can see mean of for B. So runs scored, sum of runs scored, sum of runs scored in all 4 games upon 4. It will come here. Sum of runs scored in all 4 games upon 4. Right here. So what is the sum of these 4 games? 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. So I am writing here 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon 4. So you can see here it is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. So what is the answer? You can see the answer now. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 upon 4. The answer is coming here. You can see it will be 9 by 2. And 9 by 2 means 4.5. What is the answer? 4.5 is the answer. Now 4.5. Now what is the next here? Fourth part. Who is the best performer? for B. B has scored, what is the mean? 4.5. And A already we found in the first part, it was 12.5. And B I got here 4.5. And C already he has not played one game, but I found the mean, it is coming 10.6. So who is the best performer? Best performer is A. So I will write here the answer. This was the third part. And the fourth part. So who is the best performer? Right here, first write the mean of A is how much? 12.5. Mean of, and write the mean of B equal to 4.5. The mean of C, I already found here 10.6. So you can see from this all these three, 12.5, 4.5 and 10.6. So who is the best? Therefore A is the best. A is the best performer. You can see here, therefore A is the best performer. Fourth part, I am discussing once again. Mean of A is 12.5, already found in first part. Mean of B, just now I found here, it is 4.5. And mean of C, it is 10.6 coming here. And he has not played one game. So we will divide by 3. So who is the best performer? A is the best performer. And this question completes over here. I think question number 4 and 5 I just now discussed with you. All doubts are over of this question. I will come with the next video with a new question. Thank you everyone.